Mansory has introduced the Venatus Evo, a new customization package based on the Lamborghini Urus SE Performante. The build features extensive exterior and interior modifications, along with increased performance. The exterior adds a carbon body kit with new hood and fender vents, revised front and rear spoilers, side skirts, a large rear diffuser, center-mounted exhaust outlets, new wheels, and a gradient finish that transitions from matte gray to matte black with blue accents. Inside, the cabin features blue leather and Alcantara upholstery, black trim, white piping, Mansory branding, and a custom starry-sky headliner. The Venatus Evo produces 887 brake horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. Mansory has not released acceleration or top speed figures for the upgraded SUV.